I could eat breakfast for every single meal of the day. So I got this crimpit. It's a tortilla sealer, and I'm going to make a carb balanced breakfast scramble. I'm assembling. I'm gonna add some avocado first. This crimpit might be too big, so I just kind of scooted it to the side. And of course, pepper jack cheese. Now I'm going to fold it over and hope for the best. I definitely didn't get the correct size. That's my bad. Okay, so let me spin it and try and get all of the crevices crimped. Right? Let's do that. Okay. Even though I got the wrong size, it worked. I just read I'm supposed to crimp it, put it in the microwave, and take it out. That's okay.